Hi guys, Marcus here, by Beards and Guns. Out here in the forest just where I live, walking the dog. Very nice Sunday morning, -5 Celsius. Some more snow since yesterday, but not a lot. Like 2 inches in total. But it looks like we will have a white Christmas, and that's pretty much the first in a couple of years. See a lot of fox tracks here. Anyway, I hope you had a nice Saturday. Just wanted to take a short video here, make a short video. Went in the woods, shooting on some downhill dark flake in the OMS straight oval shank Dublin. It's a great time to be out in the woods. I really love the winter. As long as we have snow and it's below 0. I think I said it before, but we need snow here in the winter time due to the the very short hours, or there's not many hours with daylight. So if we don't have any snow, it's pretty dark and pretty boring and pretty depressing, I would say. But with plenty of snow and so on, it gets a lot brighter outside, and it's really lovely to be out in the woods, in the forest, taking a hike or a long walk with the family, or being out shoveling snow. Well, it's fun for the first couple of downpours of snow, but after that you get a bit tired of it. But anyways, I love it. The little doggy, old doggy, she turns 12 in February. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you in a video tomorrow, hopefully. I promised a few folks that I will take pictures and film all the Christmas food I made. I already did 2 things today. Jansson's Temptation and the Christmas ham. It's actually a pre-boiled ham, this one, that I only make a special mustard like topping for it, that you covered it in and then you grill it in the oven. Oh. And my wife is making some other herring thingy. It's called gubbröra. It's actually herring, and I like a pickled herring, boiled eggs, red onions, some creme fraiche, and something more, I'm sure. Yeah, scallions. Yeah. Anyways, have a nice Sunday. 4th of Advent, day before Christmas. I'm looking forward for Christmas Eve. See if I've been a nice boy this year, if I get any presents. I don't have my hopes up, but I'm sure I will get one at least. Alright, cheerios guys, and have a nice Sunday. If I can switch this one off somehow. God damn it, dog. Stop bullying. I have gloves on. Bye. Come on.